When you get hurt at work, there are a couple steps that you need to take immediately. Obviously, the first one is report it to your employer. Now, the best way to report it is in writing. Make a record. That record will exist later, and perhaps it'll become part of the evidence. Secondly, you must immediately seek medical attention. Now, keep in mind, when you report it, the employer is supposed to give you a list of doctors called the panel of physicians. For 90 days, you have to treat with one of those doctors if, in fact, they give you the list. If they don't give you the list, you're free to go anywhere you want, including to an emergency room. Now, the third thing you have to determine is whether you should be contacting an attorney for both legal advice and/or representation. And here's what we recommend. You certainly should have a consult. It's free. You don't have to pay us for that. The attorney can determine at that point whether you need active representation or perhaps just advice about your situation. But if you find yourself after a work injury to be on comp, and maybe it's going to be a long-term thing, denied comp, they're not paying you, or you're back to work light duty and you're laid off, in any of those situations, you should contact our firm immediately for advice and representation.